Welcome back to the channel Gadgets for Gentlemen. My name is Lawrence. In today's video I'm going to unbox these two products. What I ordered is the Apple Watch SE, which is a slightly more affordable option of the latest Apple Watch. So this is not the 6 but the SE, and with it, or additionally, I bought this metal bracelet. This is the Milanese bracelet in space gray, and as you can see with this sticker and also on this side, this is a product that was sold by this wonderful store called Coolblue, and within 30 days the buyer decided to return it. So basically these are almost brand new products with a bit of a discount. So this is the SE 44mm space gray, and let's open it up. So you can consider this to be a bit of a fake unboxing, because obviously it has been opened in the past, and then it has been repackaged. Everything has been checked, so everything should be fine. And the benefit of ordering these products that has been returned is a lot of discount. Well, they do come with the same length of warranty. So for me, this is really a good thing. So there we go. So that's the package. Inside, I presume the Apple Watch. This is the size 44mm. Before, I was using the Apple Watch Series 3, 42mm space gray. So this one is a slightly bit bigger, and also the proportions I think are much better, because with the Series 3 there was quite a lot of case, not so much display. Ever since the Series 4, there is more display to bezel ratio. So definitely, it's not only bigger, but there is also more display. And it comes with this. I think this is called the Sport Band. Yeah. So Spaceblack. Okay. I'm not a fan of these silicone straps. I prefer the Sport Loop, that's the name, by Nike, and I prefer the metal bracelet. So yeah, okay, that's it. Let's open it up. And this is the normal version. There is also a Nike version, and yeah, I think the Nike version is better because it has a few more watch faces. Yeah, this one it was more affordable, so I went for this one. Just, I think everything is about just you know, a good deal. For me, that's the most important, but definitely the Nike version I think is even cooler. So this is the charging cable. Yeah, that's perfect. You connect it to the USB port, and what's this? Oh, this is in Dutch. Okay, this is in Dutch. Let me check if I can get some. That's French. All right. Yeah, Dutch and French. So let me know what you want to read. Okay. Okay, we're about to read some Dutch. Yeah, so you take the watch from the box, and you go through these steps to get it on the bracelet. You just slide it in. You power on the watch by pressing this button. By keep pressing the button, you open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, and this way you can charge it. And That thing is magnetically attached to the back, to the case back of the watch. What else? Yeah, if you swipe towards the north, you can see the user panel, and when you swipe towards the south, you can see notifications. When you press your finger, when you hold it on the dial, you can edit or share new things. Yeah, so yeah, one big improvement coming from the third series is the crown. The crown, I remember, is much smoother with the series 4 and so on. So you can use the crown for zooming by rotating it. You can press the crown to head back, and you can hold the crown to activate Siri. And then here they're talking about this button, which you can hold to power on the device. One press is to check your current apps, twice to activate Apple Pay, which is very useful. And yeah, if you keep pressing it, it will turn on or off. And also, if you keep pressing it, you can use it for SOS message. So that's the box again. So here we have the Apple Watch, and I'm looking here through the viewfinder of my iPhone XR. But what I can say, yeah, it absolutely looks scratch-free, so that's very good. Really love this color. Too bad I don't have the Series 3 here, but definitely it's much thinner compared to the Series 3. Really love these colors. And because it's a bit thinner and less bezels, I think it looks very nice on the wrist. I have a bunch of leather straps, I think from Vario. Yeah, shout out to Vario. They do amazing leather straps for the Apple Watch. And I also have a very nice wool strap from Some Loops, which is a bit more sporty. So also shout out to Some Loops. Definitely they will look very nice on this one. But I also got myself another thing. So let me demonstrate. Again, this is the thing that is already opened for the 44mm version of the Apple Watch. This is called I think it's called the Milanese loop. Yeah, trust me on this one. It reads Milanese loop. It has a magnetic closure. Let's open it up. And I'm just rushing here a little bit, so please forgive me. But yeah, the sun is going down. I want to go for one quick walk and test the watch. Yep, that's the package. Yeah, so this bracelet, it has been returned because someone was unhappy with it or whatever. So let's have a closer look. To attach the band, slide in until you hear a click. Adjust band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance. Yes, to remove band, press. Okay, so there we go. This is the Milanese loop, and I reviewed it on my channel previously. I think it's a wonderful bracelet. So let me demonstrate what it looks like on the watch. So I never know what side goes first, but definitely what I notice is right here. It's written 44mm. So I think this is the bottom and this is the top surface. So either I'm going to connect it like this with the crown up, or I'm going to rotate like this. So this for me is just trial and error. And just be very careful because this is metal, not to scratch the case. So please bear with me. So that's one side. Now let's go to the other side. Yeah, this is the magnetic closure right here. And let's connect this part. And there's a click. Okay, so just be careful not to scratch the case with this stuff. Let me see if that is according to the picture, which is like so, and then like so. Yeah, so yeah, 50% chance I guessed right. So here we have the Invicta automatic watch. Really love it. On a nice strap by Vario. Now this is what the Apple Watch looks like on the Milanese loop. I think it looks amazing. And yeah, let me just throw it on the wrist. So in order to size it, all you need to do is just grab this thing and just slap it like so, and it will close. So let me throw it on the wrist, find a nice fit like so, bring it back and drop it. And then you can see this magnetic thing, it sticks to the metal bracelet. I think this looks amazing. Now let me power on the device. I hope there's some battery in here. So why did I buy it? Because it has some of the new features. Most importantly for me, that is the processor is yeah, much better than the Series 3, so it's faster, and you know, you have a good chance for in terms of compatibility that this watch will be around for quite some time. And also for me, what is very important is the display size. I think 44 just gives you more space to operate. So let me just power on the iMac. Yeah, so I connected the charger to my iMac. Apple Watch was saying battery very low. So let me just take it off, like so. And now to charge it, this side, I think, this side, it goes to the back of the watch. So here, like so. And as you can see, it will start charging. So now let me just connect it to the iPhone, and I will be right back. Yeah, so here we are about to pair the device. So let's set up for myself. Now what we need to do is we need to scan the watch, like so. That should do. Software update. Update now. Yeah, so it should get some update, and as you can see here, we have the beautiful case, aluminium, that nice logo, and as you can see, it is on the charger here. And yeah, sorry about the flashlight, but it's getting dark here, so just a quick setup. So this is the watchOS 7.0.2. I think this watch, it does not come with the ECG. So if you want the ECG and I think the oxygen thing, definitely go with the 6. But I think for most people, the SE has plenty of functionalities, more than all you wish. It will install some of the updates, and I will be right back. So I did download the software and the updates. So let's press continue, setting up the Apple Watch. And here we press set up for myself. So I powered on the Apple Watch here on the right, and with the camera of my iPhone, I will go underneath this dial. So let's go for it. Yep. Software update. Update now. Software update for the Apple Watch. So let's see if it's gonna update. Now it's activating the Apple Watch. So yeah, there we go, it's paired. So set up as a new Apple Watch. I prefer right wrist. Digital crown will be on the top. Continue. Setting language. Terms and conditions, agree. Okay, Siri, yeah, okay. Watch analytics, no, I don't like this share. Okay. Yeah, let me see text size. Yeah. So you can choose like with like very small text to like super big text. And you can go for bold. Yeah. Or disable bold, yeah. I think that's for me perfect. Okay, continue. Create a passcode, a 4-digit passcode for the watch. And I noticed like this screen is like pretty big, like pressing in these digits is so much easier than the Series 3. Keep your Apple Watch up to date, latest blah blah blah. Yep, that's fine. Apple Pay, yeah, that's perfect. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency services if your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. This will also send a message to your emergency contacts. Fall detection can call emergency services if Apple Watch detects a hard fall. Fall detection is designed to recognize falls that happen as you get older. Okay, that's pretty cool. Some Apple, you can install these. Yeah, I think it's good to install the apps. Yeah. So now the Apple Watch is syncing. And when it's done, yeah, I'll let you know. So there we go. Welcome to the Apple Watch. That's it. That is very, very cool. The watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So here you can see the different buttons. So we have the display, digital crown, side button. Cool, so there we go. As you can see, not a lot of bezel here, just a whole lot of screen. Just bring the Apple Watch close to your mouth and make your request. Okay, interesting. I don't need noise notifications. So here we have the control panel. Very interesting. And here we have the notifications. Watch faces. Not sure if I like this. I prefer the list view. I think it Anyways, that is the Apple Watch. What we have here is some speakers. We have all these sensors in the back, microphone, buttons, and we have the beautiful metal bracelet. And yeah, let me throw it on the wrist. So there we have it. Definitely gonna change this dial. I really don't like it. Let me check. I noticed that with the new software, there's this hand washing thing. It reminds me when you get home to wash your hands. Like it's pretty incredible. Why would you need an app to remind you to wash your hands? Well, you can say the thing about breathing, but really like the breathing app because it notices my breathing and sometimes just give me some hints like it's time to catch your breath. So yeah, I like the list view, don't like the grid. And general. Ooh, it's been a while using the Apple Watch. Let me go and go to the face gallery. Wow, that is something. This is pretty cool. It's like my wow. Definitely some new nice watch faces. I guess this one is pretty cool. This looks like a GMT, like this is like a proper watch. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Let me just activate it. Look at that. I think this is starting to look like a proper watch. It's a GMT. That's pretty cool. Love it. So definitely one of the reasons for getting this watch was the new watch faces. Might sound a bit silly, but still count up. No, okay, I was about to swear here, but this looks like a dive bezel here. That is insane. Let me check. This is a 12. Ah, let's go. No way. This is like incredible. Did you see that? This is incredible. So here you can use like this is incredible. This is incredible. I really love this. So here we have a dive bezel, and if you want to like measure the time, like how much time elapses, what you can do is you rotate the bezel from the 12 o'clock pip to the minute hand. So you align it like so. This way you will know how much time elapsed. Basically, if 10 minutes elapse, the minute hand will be at the 10 o'clock position on the bezel. So with this watch, now if I want to start measuring, all I need to do is press this little triangle of the bezel. And as you can see, like now you can measure how much time elapses. So this is really cool. And then I can tap to stop it. That's it. Really nice watch face. What else? I think this is pretty cool. Also, this is a nice watch face. A chronograph. That is pretty cool. But definitely GMT is one of my favorites. I think this is also nice. Classic modern. Ooh. Classic modern rounded. Roman. Arabic. This is interesting. So with my Series 4, I really love the Arabic font. Classic. Let me go for modern. Modern, rounded. Arabic. Classic. Dial. Ooh, yeah. Remember, I think I went for something like this. Friday 23rd, subdial, monogram, LV. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. Let's give it a try. So I think this is a pretty nice one. I mean, with the Apple Watch you have like a ton of features, but this way the watch face is like very minimalistic. Really love it. But yeah, that is a nice watch face. Also, these watch faces are really nice. Yeah, so definitely gonna play with this a lot of time. Yeah, very pretty. Definitely like a ton of new watch faces, like pretty incredible. Anyway, this was my short unboxing video of the Apple Watch with the Milanese loop. I think it's a very nice combination. I mean, you can wear this watch even with a suit, I think, with this Milanese loop. Really nice color. I think it retails for about 330 euros, and the Milanese loop, it retails for about 100 euros. Yeah, so definitely a really nice feature. And as you can see, like the watch is like very responsive. It even has YouTube music. This is like, this will drive me insane. Like, I'm such a YouTube music fan. Let me see what communication failed. If the issue persists, open the YouTube music app on your iPhone. Let me try. Why is it not working? Let me see if it's working. Communication failed. Okay, let me open the app on the iPhone. So here we have the YouTube Music app. Okay, YouTube Music. Ooh, this is sweet. So how does this work? How does this work? Oh, nice. Okay, are you gonna show me any album covers? Okay, this is like pretty insane because I'm such a like a YouTube music fan, and it seems like this way you can use it as a remote with the YouTube music, I think, you know. So this looks very cool. This looks very cool. This is the YouTube music app, and yeah, the runtime. I'm a big fan of YouTube music, and as you can see, like wow, these are some of the albums that I recently listened to. Yeah, ooh, that is pretty cool. And as you can see, you can use this as a remote. So I guess like it will be playing on my iPhone or on my computer. I hope. I hope it connects with the Safari as well. So if I play YouTube music on my Safari on my iMac, which is connected to the speakers, and if I walk around the house, then I can control the music with the Apple Watch. I mean, that's very good. There's a phone call or whatever, I can just pause it. Is there a way to store music locally, like not worry about your iPhone? I don't know. Yeah, I guess this is downloads, so I guess it should be possible. I don't know. I don't know if you can store music on the Apple Watch. I mean, that way, like using the YouTube Music app, I can use it for running. Like, I don't use the Apple Music. I just work with YouTube Music app. World clock, always useful. Workout is like amazing. Like, I use it for running. But as you can see, there's like a bunch of other things that you can do. What else? Weather, voice memos, timer. Like, I love timers. I think it's so intuitive. Even Telegram is on there. Stopwatch, Stow card. That is very good. Wow. Sleep. Yeah, so this is the new thing with sleeping. You sleep to schedule your wake up, alarm, bedtime. Next. Interesting. Okay, but I'm not gonna use this watch when sleeping. I mean, oh, this is pretty good. Yeah. Don't just take your clothes off. Take the problems off. Take the armor off. Take all the drama off. Phew. Did you see that was like super quick? This is unreal. So, really like Shazam in order to tag some songs. Like if you hear someone play some music, you want to check out what it is. Remote reminders. There's just so much, man. It's really nice. This is the Dutch news, COVID, of course, and American elections. So what else? Just a whole lot of apps now. Camera remote, that is pretty cool as well. Let's go for that one. So let me see. Can I also change here? Use the front. Okay, there we go. Let me see. Camera remote. Ooh, see, this is pretty cool. So this way, like, I guess using the crown, we can take some photos. Let me check. So, no, not the crown. How do we take the photo? I think maybe we take the photo just, yeah, pressing this one. Oh, see, that's very good for selfies or whatever. Calendar. You can change your calendar views and settings. Sweet. Okay, calculator. That is very useful. Yeah, I love the Breathe app. Like, this is like by far, I think, my favorite app of the bunch. Together with the workout app, alarms. So one of my favorites. Yeah, activity. Well, 0, of course. But yeah, definitely I will use this watch a lot to get in shape, you know, to get the body moving. So this is the Apple Watch SE. Definitely, I think, a whole lot of value for money. With regards to the always on display, if you like that, then you definitely don't go for the SE, because this one Still, like every time you need to wake, every time you need to tap the screen. And yeah, with the 6, also I think with the 5, they're always on. So that's a bit of a shame. This one is not always on, but it has almost like the same hardware, so it's like pretty silly. Anyways, it has everything I need, and I'm gonna play with it. And yeah, definitely you will see this watch on the channel sometimes. So definitely gonna play around with this watch. Maybe change the watch face to the newest one that looks like a dive watch or GMT. I think that's very cool. And as you can see, like it wears quite well on the this is the 44 on a 6.3 inches wrist. I think, yeah, definitely, yeah, don't be afraid of the size. It's like, it's big, but like it's not that big. And definitely you have some more space to work with. So definitely, I love this size. And I had the 42 before. I don't think this is like too big or anything. So you will be seeing this watch on the channel, as well as like traditional watches, like these mechanical watches. If you found this video useful, then yeah, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a fantastic day and see you soon.